Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this easy glitch video on CapCut PC. So we're just going to want to go to the part that you want to make it glitch and split it. And you're just going to go to like another part here and split that. And you're just basically going to want to copy and paste that many times. Make sure the length of the video isn't that long, so that the glitch won't look weird. And then just copy and paste this, so I have 8 in total, but you can like select more like that, and then just go to effects if you want to, and actually go to transition. Oh, now you can search for video transitions. That's nice. Add in the white flash effect, and if you want to add that to like everything. Okay, I can't add it to that one because it's super short. Instead, I can just add in a white overlay on top, like that. Blend mode, overlay, animation, out, fade out, and have the duration for the whole thing. Only if you want though to add the flashes. You can also add in the glitch effect if you want to as well, but I just like to leave it like that, and you can do it for many segments of your videos. That's it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!